Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW 4 Series. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, speed sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, touch sensitive controls, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.